Kinley of today's Creative Food Kids Edition. Today we're gonna teach you how to make a Easter bunny cookie, and I can't wait to show you. This turned out super cute.
I love this, the sanding sugar. It just is so simple. It just makes it all sparkly, be so pretty in an Easter basket or on a table at Easter time.
And then the jelly bean makes it look like
just
she
a little
really
jelly
has tail.
bean, so cute. You could actually use a little marshmallow too. That'd be cute too.
Oh yeah, wait,
we didn't have marshmallows.
Colored marshmallows with one pink one.
Oh, that would be even cuter.
Yeah,
I was thinking white, but you thought pink. That's really cute.
Yeah, we had those before, and we put one on the tail.
That's awesome. All right, hey, if you need the recipe for this cookie recipe or the glossy icing that I use for this recipe, go ahead and go to todayscreativefood.com. And are you trying to get that closer?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Yes, you can. All right, let's get started.
Yes, we can. It's a simple and easy way to decorate a bunny, and any kid could do it, and I love Easter. So first I'm going to take my white frosting and just trace it in with the bunny hair. All I need to do is just go straight up and then finish. Trace it. And I'm just gonna fill it in, but not the ear. So now we're gonna use some white sanding sugar. So I'm gonna put my bunny on my plate, and I'm just gonna sprinkle the sanding sugar all over my bunny. Now I'm gonna tilt it and shake it off. And now I'm gonna get my pink jelly bean and stick it to my little tail part. And I'm just gonna get a green little ball and stick it right there for the eye. And there's our bunny. Happy Easter!